So I was at my local grocery store picking up some catfish fillets for a different episode. I looked over at the meat counter and alas, I saw these. And I thought to myself, can these be any good? Today we're gonna find out. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So I'm going to keep things simple today. I don't want anything overshadowing the taste of these sausages, so we can find out how they are. So our first step is to get them on a wire rack. I got 10 sausages here, that's 2 packages worth. My smoker is fired up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Now if you're thinking to yourself, that's too low of a temperature. Oh, nay, you'd be wrong. We want to get these cooked, have an internal temperature of 165 degrees, but not render the fat. We don't want the skin a-bursting because we want to have crispy skin and a juicy sausage inside. So we're using a multi-step process to get them there. So we're going to get these onto the smoker. In they go. And we're going to let those go for about 90 minutes. So we'll see you when it's time for the next step. Our sausages have been smoking away at 170 degrees for 90 minutes. Now, we need to give them a bath. We're going to let our wonderful wieners enjoy that ice cold water for about 15 minutes, and then we'll move on to the next step. Our sausages have been sitting in the ice bath for 15 minutes. The cooking process is arrested. Now, we're going to get our sausages wiped off and put onto a wire rack. From here, they're going to go into the refrigerator. You want to go at least 30 minutes. With my schedule today, I happen to have an hour and a half to let them set, so that's what they're going to do. When it's time to pull those out and do the next step, we'll see you then. So I've got the sausages out of the refrigerator. Skin is good and dry, which is going to give us fantastic crispy skin and give us that good snap. Here I have a couple onions that I've sliced up, an entire stick of butter, some of Bubba's burnt sugar whiskey, and some salt and pepper. These are both going into the smoker, which I'll bump the temperature up to 225. They're going to go in there for about 90 minutes. And that's the cooking. So we will see you when it's time to put this sausage together and get some judgment from the director. All right, the sausages are out of the smoker. Speaking of smoking, we have the director to tell us how they taste. Very, very curious to find out what Dr. Pepper sausages taste like.
Like a cherry cola.
So it does have a soft drink flavor, huh?
Yeah, it's like a cherry cola.
Well, is it
like Dr. Pepper, but
is it good?
For a sweet dog, yeah.
Okay.
Because it's very sweet. So you would definitely need like a spicy mustard or something on it to cut some of that sweetness out.
Okay. Spicy.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, so would you recommend it?
If you like sweet dogs.
All right. If you like sweet dogs, this is the sausage for you. All right. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.